Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the rocking soul of every party, the popular starter in every Indian restaurant. It's nonetheless but the lip-smacking, heart-melting goodness that's confined in marinated chicken pieces. Yes, I'm talking about the best tandoori chicken. So let's start making it. First step is to take a large bowl, add 1 cup of thick curd, remove excess water from curd. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1/4 cup of mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. Now give a good mix. If you want, you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of red color. Next, add the chicken pieces and coat them well with the marinade. Cover and allow the marinated chicken to rest overnight in the refrigerator. Preheat oven to 180 degrees. This is second step. Arrange the marinated chicken pieces on a wire rack. Place the wire rack on a baking tray and bake for 40 minutes. After the first 20 minutes, take out the chicken pieces and turn them upside down and bake for the rest 20 minutes. Give a charcoal smoke for 10 minutes is the third step and serve hot. This is the perfect and easy starters. It's classy and elegant, but it really has a simple ingredients. This is totally a restaurant quality dish that you recreate at home. I hope it becomes a favorite of you too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the rocking soul of